this morning I will cook for myself for my breakfast, and I have something to prove for you because many people, mostly in Western country, you have Teflon wok or Teflon pan like this. But in Asia, Thailand, China, we have iron wok. But today I'm gonna cook both. I'm gonna cook pad kra pao. You know pad kra pao mu, fried hot basil with pork. Okay, but I will use this one and I will use this one, and I will compare how different the flavor. Okay, how different the flavor, because I'm sure maybe you cannot find this one, but you can use this one, but a little bit different flavor. So today I cook for myself. This wok I cook for myself, and this wok I cook for my college. Okay. Let's see the ingredients. Okay, anyway, again, I will cook fried crispy hot basil with pork and with a crispy fried egg. Okay, one Teflon fan and one the iron wok. Okay, we see the ingredients. Ingredients, of course, hot basil. This is hot basil. Okay, actually today I prefer to show you around my farm and pick the fresh hot basil, but today no sun, it's almost raining. That's why we have to stay just only in the kitchen, cannot go out. Okay, but next time I show you to the school organic farm. Okay, hot basil and long bean. This is Thai long bean. Okay, chilies. I cook for my college four chilies. Garlic. Okay. Pork. You can use pork, beef, chicken, any meat you like. And for the vegetarian, you can use tofu or mushroom. Okay. First, this is optional. You can marinate your pork first. Okay. Just a few drops of the like soy sauce. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Okay, these all ingredients and the seasoning. Okay, almost forgot the seasoning. Optional. Sugar. Okay, sugar. If you're concerned about sugar, you can use you can take it out. You can skip it. Fish sauce, okay, fish sauce to make salty flavor. We don't put salt, but we use fish sauce. Oyster sauce, okay, oyster sauce. Sweet soy sauce. Okay. Cooking oil, you can use any vegetable cooking oil, but I don't use so much. For stir fry, I don't use olive oil because it's too heavy. Okay, this soybean oil. Okay, this light soy sauce to season the pork. You can season the pork or you can skip it. It's okay. It's optional, but I like to season my pork first. Just few drops, about 2 teaspoons. About 2 teaspoons. Mix together and just leave it. Okay, leave it. Okay. Garlic. Okay, come here. See. Okay. Garlic, 1 or 2 or 3 pieces, okay. Depends on you like it or not. If you like, you can take more. Like this, and then chilies. Take off the skin. Take off the stem and chop together. We need to prepare everything like this first. Then long bean. How to do it? Do like this. This part we don't use. And then cut in half and half again. Like this. Then easy. So the basil, you see, this is Thai basil, already take off the stem. Okay, just like this. Then we will prepare the, leave the knife on the, under the chopping board. We will prepare the crispy hot basil. Yeah, crispy hot basil. You do like this. This way, better. Faster, faster. Okay. You do this faster. Fry the hot basil. We separate some for deep fry and some for stir fry because it's different texture. This one for stir fry is bring out more aroma, but this one is more crispy, it's more texture, it's different flavor. I want to fry it. Deep fry, if you want to do something crispy, you have to add a lot of oil. Looks nice. Looks nice, look nice. Okay, I clear. Egg. We still use the same oil. Be careful, it's still hot. Yeah. Not too much. Thai people like to eat hot basil or pad krapao with fried egg. Okay. We use duck eggs from my farm. Always show off about the farm. But today it's raining outside. Okay. This one for the people who concerned about the oil or if you have no iron wok. Okay, just take it out. A little bit oil and egg. This one. Then we serve on the rice. Wow, cool. Leave it like this, and then ready to cook hot basil. Okay, we still gas like this. This number, the peak one minimum is number 12, but I do number 10. Okay, number 10. You see. Teflon wok is still a little bit oil. Okay, then I will put some garlic. Garlic. A little bit oil, just a little bit oil. We use oil just to bring out the flavor. Bring out the flavor of the chilies and garlic. It smells good. Can you smell? Can you smell? Until you smell, and then add the pork that you already seasoned. The sound like this is good. It sounds delicious. You see it's quite dry. If it's too dry for stir fry, if it's too dry, add water. Add water. Stir fry just means always stir. Stir it until the pork turns to white color. If it's dry, add water again. But we don't pour like this, we just do like this. Because if it's accident, this spatula can help. If you marinate the pork or your meat first, it makes more tender. Then your vegetable, long bean. But some Thai people like to say hot basil stir fry, just only hot basil and meat. Okay. This is my camera, my photographer sneezed. Okay. But actually, vegetable you should eat. You can put carrot, baby corn, onion, or long bean. Any vegetable you like, you can put. If you don't like vegetable, just only meat is okay. Then little bit sugar, just tiny one, just like this. Sugar, why red sugar? Because it's balance the flavor, because we add fish sauce, about 2 teaspoons. 1, 2, okay. Then oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, about 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3, okay. And then the last one, sweet soy sauce, little bit, about 1 teaspoon. Mix all together. But maybe you can skip the sugar if you add sweet soy sauce. Then the last one, hot basil. But hot basil stir fry, there are 2 optional, dry stir fry and little bit sauce. But actually Thai traditional, we do dry, do dry. Okay, and then turn off the gas. Put it on here. Okay. This one with wok. This one with wok. Look nice. Yeah. Hot basil stir fry, delicious or not? You can check your neighbor or yourself. If you sneeze, this means it's very delicious. It's finished. This one from the wok, and this one from the iron wok, but this one from the Teflon wok. Not yet, not finished yet. We have to top we have to top with the crispy one. We have to top with the crispy basil. I think it looks nice. No one delicious, I delicious. Okay, this one I cook for myself. So, this one from the Teflon pan, but this one from the iron wok. We will check about the flavor. How different. Teflon. First, you can see Teflon cannot make the crispy like this one. Okay, this one, the egg is not too crispy like the iron, the meat. But actually, it's not too different. So this one easy for you to do, but that one easy for me in Thailand to do. But for the iron wok is more dry. It's make more dry. But you know, when you cook on the wok, iron wok, it make more heat. It make more intense than the Teflon. But actually, it's not too different flavor. But anyway, the most important thing, cook. Just cook, okay? Just cook. And you can try this one, very easy. Easy for Thai, maybe easy for you if you can find the hot basil. Okay, so, and I will enjoy my breakfast, and next time what we cook, we can see it again, okay? And I hope you have a nice day. See you. Bye bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ